Hi guys, this is our chapter number 2, means chapter number 2nd. Last video chapter number 1, do you remember we marked our pipeline and points for surface in this area? I can show you, you can see, yes. But after that I mark another one area. Here you see this is the gravity man. I show to you. Yes, these two lines, one line start from here to come, and this area we will construct a water tank, and from water tank to this you can see the magenta color lines will be distribution lines. So I want to explain both the pumping man, this pipeline is the pumping man, and the gravity man and distribution man already I marked here. So today we are going to assign the elevations, those data. So let's go how to we assign the elevations. Now I'm going to close to this here, okay, and go to in Google, okay, and you search a website GPS visualizer. You can see easily here GPS visualizer and web address. Just you click here, it's opening. You see the gpsvisualizer.com. You search this and you will see this here many things. Here you can see the many things are we can use. This is very good websites. You can use it as you like. See, this much options are here. So now we are going to assign the elevations our KML file. So we convert to in plain text. Click to here just, okay. Once you click here, then this page will be open here. Then you come and leave it the plain text and choose your file here, okay. So I'm choosing one by one. First we are choosing here the pipeline, okay. This is the our pressure network line, okay. Open, okay. You can choose all both one time. You can make the more boxes, but we'll assign one by one, okay. Then come to down, nothing you change here, okay. Come here, plain text, decimal, tape, unit, everything is same like this, and add the elevation data. Elevation data, just click here like that, and see the options are like this. Which you want to, you can choose. I'm going to choose the NASA 30 meters, okay, SRTM, okay, and then just click here, okay, and you see the how to we assign the data, background maps, many things are there, okay. Just click here, see the plus marking, so advanced option. Just click once here, then come down, and it's as nothing you change here, nothing you change here, nothing you change here, nothing change here, nothing change here, nothing GPS, yes, nothing change here, nothing change here, and you see either nothing change here. Here you say so track statics, distance, time and elevation. Here you can say yes, okay, and calculate elevation gain, say yes. Then here click and you check the what they are saying. You understood, try to, and here just I'm choosing 5 meters, okay, thresholds. Then you come to down here, nothing you change here, date long, no change here. Then this option should be you have to change here, because UTM coordinate we want not to be decimal. Okay, then just click yes. Okay, then you go again up here. You don't worry what is this red colors, no need to worry out about this here. And here nothing you have to change here. Okay, then you come and click convert. See, it will convert very fast. Okay, you can select all data and copy, otherwise you can download direct from here. So just we are going to download and giving the name pipeline. Okay, and save it. Okay, then here we have to go back, just okay, and choose our another file here. Pipeline already finished. Then we have to come to this surface data. Okay, and now settings all are there, so you can check once here. You see already is there. Setting now no need to change, because they all already we changed in our first time. Then convert it. Okay, it will be open. Okay, see same. Then again download from here and give to name surface data. Okay, then click. Surface data is there already there. My file name may be, so just once change the name, or here should be text file. Save. Okay, already saved. Again we have to go back, then choose another our file, choosing gravity man. Okay, and convert it, because setting is already there. Convert and download data and giving name gravity main. Okay, save it. Then again go back and choose your another file here. Gravity man already finished. Now distribution man. Okay, and convert it. Setting is already there. Then here and give to name distribution. Okay, and save it. Okay, then go back and we have to choose our last file, surface data all. Okay, then open it. Okay, then convert. Yes, see, you can select all or copy, otherwise you can download from here and give to name surface data all. Okay, then it will be download. So now the data already download. How to we bring it in the Excel? Just close here, then go to download folder. Download folder, all data is here. You can see. So I'm going to this. Okay, one by one I explain to you. First one, this pipeline. Just click and you can see this is the all are in the text file. So we should be go in the Excel. Okay, close here and open your Excel blank sheet. Yes, it's opening. It's opening. Yes, blank sheet. After open Excel blank sheet, just you go in file and open. Then browse, go to download there our file. Okay, so in there download, here change not Excel, say to all files, then you choose here this one. We can open one by one. Here just I'm go opening. Yes, then should be select here delimited. Next should be tab here. Next, then finish. Yes, it has been opened now in the Excel. The type first we have to delete it. No need to T. This is the latitude, longitude date here, and you see the UTM easting and UTM in the northing, and altitude means the our elevations. This is the distance point to point. So this all things we don't want. We want only these three things for our surface data. So we should be have to select this and delete it. Okay. Then we select from here to there. Okay, and say it delete. Now we have only these three things. We want these three things only, and our Civil 3D not accepting the heading, so we have to just click and delete it also, and insert one more cell here and put the serial numbers like 1 or 2. Okay. Okay, just click here and you can see the data number you remember well, otherwise it will be problem in your Civil 3D when we insert the point. So this is the last, is the 37, and we have to save as and go our water supply here, and this pipeline you can say here CSV. Okay, and CSV, we don't want CSV, just you come, I want the CSV, comma delimited, select here and save it here. Okay, so this file already has saved and ready for insert in the Civil 3D. So next part we will see. Now the number is the 37, next we start from the 38. Then blank sheet, again go and open and browse, go to in a download part, pipeline already completed it, then go to surface data. Okay, same procedure, delimited select, and here tab select, next, then finish. Yes, same things we got here. Then this I have to delete first, and it's very fast. Okay, and is here, then delete to here. These three things we need: easting, northing, or elevations. Delete this heading also. Insert one cell column is here. That 37. Then start from the 38 and 39. Okay, we select like that and double click here. Then you check your last number here also. This is the more points. Okay, so 1710. You save here, save as, same our this here, and select here CSV file and surface data, and you can say here also CSV. Okay, and save it here. Now just once click here, blank sheet Excel is here, then open and open, then browse and go to in the download folder. These two already, then come to here Gravity Man, just click, delimit selected, checked, tab checked, then finish it. Here also we had got, and we finish this column, delete this column from here, and after that we have from here, then delete it. Okay, and this one also we have to delete and insert a column. Okay, there 1710, so it will be start from the 11 7. Okay, select like that and double click here, then go down and check the number. Do you remember? 1759. Then we start from the 60 next. Okay, then save as, browse, this water supply here, gravity man, CSV. Okay, and here you should be select the CSV comma delimited, save. Okay, it's already saved. Now again go and blank sheet the Excel and open and browse, go to in download folder, these three things, then fourth is the distribution. Just select, delimit selected, checked, and tape checked. Okay, finish. Same things, it's very fast, very good website that one. Okay, delete from here and also delete after the altitude, please delete it and just click here and delete it and insert one column. Okay, number should be remember 17, 16 or 1761. Select both and just click once here and come down and see your number. Now 1813 and save as water supply folder and CSV. Okay, and here should be change the CSV comma delimited and save it. It's already saved, and close it and blank sheet, then open again and browse, go to download folder and surface data all and open here. Next and sorry, we made some mistake here. No. Okay, next finish. Okay, then just click here, come up to and delete, and after altitude come here, then just delete it, select this row and delete, insert one column, insert number 1861 and 1862. Yes, then double select, and no need to remember now because this is the last our point, and go here and save as water supply and CSV and change the format CSV, save. Okay, now we saved. If you want, you can check it, refresh and go to in the water supply folder is here, just click. You see here all are the CSV files ready. Any file you can check like that. Just now opening, you see this data is here. If you forget their serial number there changing, you can change from here also, no problem, because the civil 3D will be bring a error if the same number, if we start all the 1 2 1 2 3 4 like that, because all these points we will insert in the civil 3D. So thanks, I think you understood how to we create the surface data and prepare in the CSV file. Okay, that's GPS visualizer website is very good. There we can use another method or more there. Okay, and we will see in the next time this point we insert also in the QGIS and the civil 3D. Okay, thanks for watching.